Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see Python's turtle module. If you are new to coding or just want to explore creative ways to use Python, this video is perfect for you. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Okay, before moving into the video, let's know about what is Turtle in Python. Okay, Turtle is a built-in Python library. It is used to create drawings and graphics. It is great for learning programming concepts through visual output, right? Okay, now we are going to learn how to install Python first. If you have Python installed in your system, then there is no worry about it. If others those who are not having installed Python in your system, let's I'll guide you how to install it. Okay, so first you have to go on to the uh, python.org. Let me share my screen. Here it is. It is python.org. Can you see that? Downloads menu here. You have to, if it is a Windows operating system, you can download the version here, Python 3.13.2. Or if you have a Mac OS, there is a menu, Mac OS. Click on it. There you can find the Python latest release version. Okay, you can click on it. It will give you an exe. You can install it. If you install the Python, then you can import the turtle module in it. Clear? Okay. The next one, we are going to see some turtle commands with examples. Okay. So I'm sharing my screen. Type IDLE. This is the IDLE Python interpreter. Okay, after install the Python, you have to open this. From this, you can see this by file menu and click on the file menu, choose the new file. It will open you another file. Okay. So here, if we are going to use the turtle module, if you want to use the methods which are available in the turtle module, we have to import it. Okay. So I'm going to write it down, import turtle. This is the method to import the turtle module within the Python. It is already available in the Python. Once you have installed this Python, the turtle module is already there. Okay, there is no need to install the turtle separately. Okay, now as I said, the turtle is used for drawings and graphics. If you want to draw or if you want to do any graphics animations, then we need a canvas. For creating a canvas, we have to declare a variable. Okay, you know that. What is variable? Variables are nothing but it is used to hold the methods or the values. Okay, so I'm going to create the variable as a screen because we are going to create a canvas, right? Screen equal to turtle dot screen. The S should be capital. It is a method which is available in the function which is available in the turtle module. If you want to call that method, we have to mention the open bracket and close bracket. Okay, I'm saving this file. Go to the file menu, save. Okay, the extension of the file Python is .py. I'm going to mention it as sample file. Okay, for executing this, go to the run menu, run module, or else you can press F5 directly. Okay, can you see this? This is the basic canvas screen. Okay, can you see the title of that screen? It is Python Turtle Graphics. If you want to change the title for that screen, let's use the variable first. So that is screen dot title. Title is a method which is available in that variable. After mentioning a dot, Wait for a few seconds. It will drop down the methods. Okay. If it is not drop down a method, you can type the method name. That is, we are going to use the title over here. Okay. For changing the title of that canvas screen. So I'm going to mention my screen. Okay. Let's execute again. And you see that it changes its title. Okay, next one, we are going to change the background color of the screen. Now the background color of the screen is white. So I'm going to change it as screen dot. Again, wait for a few seconds. It drop down the methods. Here it is BG color. If you know the method, you can type it directly or else you can choose it. Now you can mention the color over here. So I'm going to mention it as blue. See, it changes its color. Okay. Now, the next step is if you want to make a drawing on the screen, we need a turtle over there. That is an object we need. Okay. So I'm going to declare that object as pen, which is equal to turtle dot turtle. Remember, you have to mention the method turtle as a capital T. This turtle is a module and this turtle is a function which is available within that module. Okay. So let's see. See, this is the turtle pen. Okay, that the default shape for this turtle method is the arrow mark. There are 5 shapes available. They are arrow and circle, turtle, square, and triangle. These are the basic shape. These are the default shapes. Shapes, 5 shapes which is available in the turtle. Okay, the default shape is arrow as we see in here. Okay, if you want to change the shape, how to change it? You can mention it as pen dot shape. And you have to mention the shape within the single quotation or the double quotation. I'm going to mention it as turtle. Let's see how it works. Can you see that? It changes into turtle shape. Okay. Likewise, if you want to change it in a circle or into a triangle or into square, you can use the shape over here. Now we are going to draw a line. Okay. There are 4 methods for drawing it. One is, these are the shapes. Okay. Forward. If you want to move forward, you have to mention the forward command and mention the step count. If you want to move 10 steps, then you can mention it as 10. Or if you want to move 100 steps or 50 steps, whatever it is, you can mention the number of step count here. Likewise, you can mention the backward for moving backward. Okay. And there is a left and right method. Here, you need to mention the angle over here. Okay, so if you want to turn towards the anti-clockwise, this is the anti-clockwise direction, then you have to mention left 90, which turns your arrow mark perpendicularly. Okay, if you mention it as turn the 60, left 60 or 120, the cursor will be move according to the angles. Okay, that we can see it in the next class. And right for moving clockwise direction. Okay, let's see the first one. Pen dot forward 100. I'm running it. See, it moves forward. Okay, similarly, you can try it out by mentioning the, okay, I'll explain it about how to turn the anti-clockwise. Okay, so see, pen dot left 90. See, the turtle turns perpendicularly to the anti-clockwise direction. If I mention it as 70, let's see how it looks like. Can you see that? It's slightly turned on the 70 degree. If I mention it as 130 degree. Okay, but I need a perpendicular line. So I'm going to mention it as 90. After making it as perpendicular, I want to draw the straight line upwards. Okay, so pen dot forward 100 again. Okay, similarly, you can make the turtle to move towards the left again, and you can try drawing a square. Okay, so also you can try it out with the backward command, left command, right command, or whatever the commands I have provided here. Try it out and let me know. I hope this video is helpful to you. And if you need any, in the coming classes, we can discuss about more about the other commands and okay, other commands. Okay, do comment. So your comment is very valuable to me. Okay, it makes me to make other videos. Enjoy it. Happy coding. Thank you.